Welcome back to Portway Music School, where today you're going to improvise in the C Major Pentatonic scale. The C Major Pentatonic scale consists of notes C, D, E, G and A. And of course we've got it an octave higher and an octave higher again. And don't forget, we can always go down low as well. We use pentatonic scales because we know each one of those notes will harmonise with any chord in C major nicely. So here we go. Let me play you some chords, and you can use any of those notes in the pentatonic scale to do any rhythm in any order. And if you're a little bit stuck, I've done some improvising at the end of the video for you. Enjoy and have fun creating some new melodies. If you want some more ideas, here's me improvising. Alternatively, jam along with me. The more harmonies, the better. Now's the time to go back and do it all again, or check out some other videos where we do some different chord progressions.